I really want to trade, but she also has really good things, so I guess I have to trade with her. But this is actually my favorite. It's not a dumpling anyways. It's fake though, but it has no face. She actually has a real dumpling, and I'm gonna try scamming her and making this and saying it's a rare. On this one, I'm just gonna draw a random face on it, and she actually has really good things, so I'm gonna try getting that and all of the other things if I can. So yeah, I hope I can. Now's the time for me to draw the face. Guess I have a stone marker and just, oh, that went off. I'm just gonna try making this face. Just trying to make the face. 1, 2, 3. It's not my best, but I'll try to scam her. Wait, I have an idea. Let's just scam her, and I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Let me move my things aside. Oh, there's someone at the trading hub. I guess I have to trade something. Yeah. Hey, do you want to trade? I guess she wants to trade, I think. I don't know. But I'm just gonna press trade, and if she trades, that's gonna be a good thing. Huh? Okay. I think someone traded. I'm gonna try trading in the trading hub. Oh, you traded? Who are you? Me? Me? I just want to trade, but I know I have some good stuff. What? That's definitely not good stuff. You just got a slinky and dumpling. But let's just trade right now. These are the things I just have. I think I'm just gonna trade this little girl here. Plus, since you never started, I'm gonna let you start. But I already started, so tell me what's your options. Oh, you traded that little thing. It's not fake or anything, right? Yeah, I think. So, I think I'm gonna trade this Slinky. It's super duper duper rare. It's like ultra rare. You can't believe how rare it is. Look, it has a cute face on it, and it has your favorite colors. Here, I'm gonna trade it. It does have my favorite colors on it. Well, I guess I might trade something else. And did you say it's super rare? No way. That's just like a Slinky, right? Just gonna trade one thing. The other options, definitely not trading my dumpling, even though it's a bit rusted, but let's not talk about it. Next, I think I'm gonna trade, eeny, meeny, miny, meh. Catch a tiger by its tail. If you wanna light its nest, eeny, meeny, miny, meh. You little guy. But you're actually a lot more than this, so I'm gonna trade you. I think you need to add, because I already added this on for that. Me trading for that little thing? Didn't say you got it from a carnival game, but actually it looks pretty nice. I would keep it when I sleep. But, oh, look at those things right there. The Kuromi. Oh, I really like Kuromi. I might get that. But also that as my goal. Yeah. I think, but you actually need to add. But here, I might add this. So you need to add dumpling. looks like a fake dumpling. But wait, don't look at the face. Huh? Why? But it looks really nice. Maybe it might be a surprise, just like my one. It looks really nice. Since I traded this, I also need to trade, right? Put this away. I have this and this. I might trade this because this is actually a lot. I really like it. Here, I guess. I'm gonna put it next to that squishy because it might block up what I might. Wait, put yours right here. Yeah, this. Putting this next to my little Karumi, my little dumpling. Okay, do you accept? Because I actually want to accept right now. It's been a long time. What? No way. I am not accepting that, even though you only gave me I know it's tons of things, but this is actually ultra rare and I want you to add. Doesn't mean I have less things. It can be not good. It's actually so good. So you better trade up. You're asking me to trade more, but I already traded loads of things already. I have these two left. This is my favorite. I'm trying so hard to get this, but I guess I have to take you away. Not macaroni. Gonna put this on the side because it also doesn't fit. Good. My God. Okay, I only have this left. Hope she accepts, or once and for all. I would only accept if you would give me that dumpling, because that's actually gonna be my favorite. If I would get that, then I would accept for these two really good things, my slinky and my dumpling. But I'm not gonna show you yet everything. Please add, because I need that right now, this instant. Again? Why again? But I guess it's my only thing, and that's actually really rare. Okay, fine. I have my dumpling. You can see his face. It's my favorite. Here. Do you accept? Because I accept right now. Look at all of these things. You accept for the pink, really nice dumpling. But, I guess that's a trade because it's actually really good. Do you accept? Wait, you already did. So thank you very much. All of these are mine. Mwahaha. Mwahaha. I got them packs. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna squeeze this. Huh? This is not even real, because the glitter dumpling doesn't have these kind of rainbow glitters in them. You scammed me. And this, it's not even ultra rare. You also scammed me again. Oh my God. I hate when people scams me. Haha, too bad, too sad. Bye. What? Oh my God. Now she already left with all of her toys. Well, basically she already got my glitter, but it's not good. She already got my dumpling. It's not fair. Subscribe for part 2.